how to put TikTok videos to slow motion. So if you want to view some of the TikTok videos to slow motion, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So according to the latest feature of TikTok, you'll be able to watch the videos of TikTok either in fast mode or slow motion. So for that, you need to be on the video in which you want to change the speed. So for example, if this is the video that you want to change the speed, then you'll be able to see the various options like comments, favorites and share at the right hand side. At the last option, you just have to tap over the share and you'll be opened up to 3 rows of options. At the last row, you just have to swipe and you'll be able to see the playback speed. Simply tap over playback and you have to set it to 0.5x, and by doing that the video will be played to slower than the normal video. So this is how you can put TikTok videos in slow motion. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.